Hello, Shalom, and welcome to How to Pronounce and Say in Hebrew. And in this video, we will talk about verse 6 from chapter 6 in Proverbs, and we'll learn some Hebrew. So, the book of Mishlei, Proverbs, Perek Vav, Pasuk Vav. So in English, it is, "Go to the ant, thou sluggard, consider her ways and be wise." I guess you probably remember the story of the grasshopper and the ant. So this is the same idea. The origin verse in Hebrew is being given to a man when you see the verb. But I will teach you how to say this to a woman also, because we are 50% of the population, or even 51%. But let's see how it is in the Bible. Lech el נמלה עצל, ראה דרכיה וחכם. Let's say it again. Lech el נמלה עצל, ראה דרכיה וחכם. Let's break it down. Lech, this is what you say to a man, like go, lech. And for a woman, lechi. This verb, שורש הלך, ה' למד, כף, כף סופית, בניין פעל. If you have no idea what I'm talking about, if you forgot, I will put you the link in the description box below to lesson 8 about derived stems and constructions. To, el, ant, נמלה, and in plural ants, נמלים. So lech, lechi, el, נמלה. The lazy one that the advice is being given to, in Hebrew, atzel. And for a woman, atzela. Atzel, atzela. Nowadays, when we're talking about a man or someone that is being lazy, we say most of the time, atzlan, atzlanit. That's more casual. Like if I want to say that I am lazy, I would say, ani atzlanit. See, consider. In the translated verse, consider, the meaning was actually see, right? So go to the ant and see what the ant is doing. In Hebrew, re'eh, you say that to a man, and re'i, you say that to a woman. Shoresh, reish, aleph, yod, re'i, binyan, pa'al. Her ways, in one word, דרכיה, the meaning is הדרכים שלה. The ways, her, דרכיה. And if you don't know what I'm talking about, you can watch lesson 13, and I will put the link in the description box below. We can say that in Hebrew in one word. Instead of her ways, הדרכים שלה, we say דרכיה. More casual, we say today הדרכים שלה. So way is דרך, and ways דרכים. And in Hebrew is the letter vav. It could be ve, u, va. It depends on the letter and the Niqqud that comes after the letter vav. One day I will teach you in another lesson. So be wise in the Bible is the verb chacham, shoresh, chacham, chet, kaf, chaf, mem, binyan pa'al. So that was in the Bible, chacham. And if I wanted to say this to a woman, chichmi. So wise or smart is chacham or chachama. Like you are smart. אתה חכם, or at chachama, for a man, for a woman. And if I want to say I got wise, because I went to the ant and watched her doing what the ant was doing, in the Bible I would have said, Ani chachamti, for a man and a woman, right? The same thing. Ani chachamti, shoresh chacham, binyan pa'al. But nowadays we use binyan hif'il. So I would say Ani hechkamti, same shoresh, but I use a different binyan, hif'il. So Ani hechkamti. After we learned all the words and the verbs, let's see. In the Bible, lech el נמלה עצל, ראה דרכיה וחכם. Easy, right? And now, for a woman, לכי אל נמלה עצלה, ראי דרכיה וחכמי. Now let's try to say it in past form. Like I went to the ant, considered her ways, and got wise. And this is for a woman and a man, doesn't matter. In the past, same thing, for a man and a woman. הלכתי אל הנמלה, ראיתי את דרכיה והחכמתי. And I could have said, הלכתי אל הנמלה, ראיתי את הדרכים שלה והחכמתי. And now you know more. אתה חכם, את חכמה, אתם חכמים, אתן חכמות. And until next time, להתראות בקרוב. See you soon.